Well, I'm on the farm here today, and I've been doing some chores, a little bit of cleanup, and it's my Massey 1105, and of course my Farmall 350. And one of the things on my round to it list is to make a slight improvement, if you will, to the John Deere 335 Baler. By the way, I got the manual for this thing. If you have one of these balers, you can download the manual from the John Deere website in a PDF and print it out. And it's free. Thing is, there's a couple manuals depending on serial numbers, so I guess as they aged a little bit. I know later models had a green pickup, and maybe the pickup times were a little longer from what I've read. But anyway, I'm here and I got what I need. And so right now, holding these doors closed is this clevis pin right here. And that there's the twine box. And so, but the proper I have to hold this thing or it'll swing open. I mean, it'll just naturally swing open, kind of crash against that wheel. But this is the proper pin for this door, and I just happen to have some, and I thought I'd put it on. And the only reason I know that's the proper pin is because I saw it, pretty sure I saw it in the manual, and I saw it on the parts diagram. And so what I'm doing here seems kind of Mickey Mouse, but I'll tell you, when you pull these things off, there's such a distance between that hole and the top here, and these are heavy pins, hair pins right here, and they're a bear to get back over this. So what I'm doing is replacing those. While I got that thing off there, I'll peek in. I'll peek in here one more time. And I haven't quite figured out this this stay rod here, but I will. In any event, got another one of these. And there it is. So if I want to get into that door, it's that simple. And if I want to close it, it's that simple. So might seem like a Mickey Mouse upgrade, but here on this farm, those little pins, they're quick and easy to get out. Again, it might seem kind of Mickey Mouse, but on this farm, we call it progress. We'll talk to you later.